Alright, today is Saturday, April 6th. I apologize, I am trying to do the everyday thing. It is not easy. I am going to draw Chip from Chip 'n Dale Rescue Rangers. So let's get started. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so in a minute we have this right here. I decided to do I decided to actually finish it off. I ended up inking it and everything like that. Took about 8 minutes and 4 seconds for this. Let me know which one you prefer. Do you want the 60-second sketch where I just sketch out on pencil and then good to go? Or would you rather see the full videos where I draw them out completely? Because on the fence. I do like the concept of 60 seconds with what I sketch in 60 seconds, and it's kind of simple. Or I can have it where I just draw the whole thing. Whichever one you want. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and hot sauce. And until next time, maybe tomorrow, maybe not, who knows. But as always, thanks for watching.